So I am on Pixel Studio. So the first thing I'm going to do is to create a shape. So left click here. So I'm going to select a rectangle. I'm going to select the rectangle tool. I'm going to fill the canvas here like this. And now I'm just going to change the color here of this rectangle to the color I want for the checkerboard, to one of the color of the checkerboard. So for example, I want the blue color. So I'm going to choose this one here. And now go to Pixel, Filters, Colors, and then select Procedural Texture. You can also go from here, New Light Filter, Colors, and then Procedural Texture, left click. So now I'm going to left click here on the presets, left click, and then select checkerboard. So now I'm going to deselect red, green, and blue. I'm going to left click on them. And then I'm just going to left click on the alpha channel. So as you can see, I have a checkerboard with the white color and the blue color we choose for the filter. So for example, for this one here, you can choose the number of squares. So let's say I'm going to change it to 50%. So here it is. Let's say 100. So I'm going to change it to 35. So now I'm just going to exit, click on this icon. And now I want to change the white color here. So now just select the filter here, the procedural texture, not the whole layer, the filter. I'm going to left click here to deselect and then left click. I'm going to exit. So now I have selected the filter. Go to Pixel, Filters, Colors, and then select Erase White Paper, left click. And now I'm going to create a fill layer. So go to Pixel and then select New Fill Layer. And now, for example, this time I'm going to select, for example, a dark pink, this one here. And now I'm just going to move it under the blue layer. So here it is. And now, for example, if I want to change this one to white, I just need to select the bottom layer or to black. And if I want to change, for example, the blue one, I'm just going to select the layer, the whole layer. And then here I can change it. For example, I can change it to white.